If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting a few websites to confirm that they load without issues. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and may allow the update to continue downloading. Step 3. Clear download cache. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to the settings and clear the download cache. This can help resolve any corrupted data that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using bandwidth or interfering with the update process. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other downloads. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This can ensure that you have the latest version of the game and may resolve any persistent issues with updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.